Twinkle, 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 little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? Now today we are going to do number tracing on the semolina tray. Do you know this is your tactile book? Now open the tactile book and take out the page number 1. Ask your mummy to open the page. Children, do you know which number is this? This is number 1. 1. Which number is this? 1. 1. 1. Which number is this? 1. Here one bird. One bird. One bird. And one pencil. One pencil. Okay children, now start the activity and use these two fingers of your right hand for this activity. Now put it on the starting point. Put these two fingers on the starting point and come down. Now start it again. Put here these two fingers of your right hand. See? These two fingers on the starting point and come down. Come down. It's finished. Now trace it again. Start and come down. Finish. Which number is this? This is number 1. This is number 1. One bird and one pencil. Now start the activity on the semolina tray and trace this number on the semolina tray. Semolina in Urdu it's called suji. Do you know? It's suji. Now these two fingers of your right hand put here and come down. Now it's very interesting. Now shake it. Shake the tray before tracing again. Now put here these two fingers here and come down. Very good. Now trace it again. I hope you like this activity. Now trace 1. Come down, come down. Good. I hope you like this activity. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do trace number 1 and color the given picture, which is sun and tree. First of all, hold your pencil like this, in this way. Write date here and day here. You have to open the page number 9. Ask your mummy to open the page. Read the caption with me. Trace, count and color. What will we do now? First of all, we will do tracing. This is your starting point. Put your pencil here and come down like this. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, dot. Oh, it's going to wrong. We will rub it here and trace it again. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, and it's finished. Again we will trace here. Put your pencil here and come down like this. Dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, dot to dot, it's finish. What is this? This is a sun. What is this? Sun. And what is this? Tree. Tree. What is the color of sun? A yellow color. This is your yellow color. We will do in this sun like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Like this. I'm really enjoying it. Very nice, very nice. And what is the color of tree? A green and a brown. Green color and brown color. You have to complete it. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? Now today we are going to do again semolina tray activity. Ask your mother to help you in this activity. Children, do you know this is your tactile book? This is your tactile book. Now open the tactile book and take out the letter C. Which letter is this? Which letter is this, children? This is letter C. This is letter C and sound of the letter is K. Sound of the letter is K. K candle. K, K candle. Which letter is this? This is letter C and sound is K. K candle. Okay children, now use these two fingers of your right hand for this activity. Now put these two fingers on the starting point on the tactile book and now trace and turn and it's finished. Now start it again. Put these two fingers of your right hand. See? Now put here and now trace and turn. It's finished. This is letter C and sound is K. K candle. Okay children? What is this? This is semolina. In Urdu it's called suji. In Urdu it's called suji. And put this semolina on the tray like me. Okay, now it's very interesting. Shake it and now trace this letter C on the semolina tray. Same is here. Now use these two fingers of your right hand and put here and make a like this C letter C. K. K candle, K carrot. Okay, now trace it again and do it again. Shake it. Shake the tray before the second time tracing. Now start again. Letter C. Wow, very good. Okay children. Now second letter is this on your tactile book. This is letter O. Which letter is this? This is letter O and sound of the letter is O. 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 O orange. O orange. O orange. Okay. O orange. O octopus. O onion. Now put these two fingers on the starting point of O and now trace it like me and trace, turn and finish. Now trace it again. O. Which letter is this? O. O orange. Now trace this letter on the semolina tray. Shake the tray before tracing. Now put these two fingers on the starting point and like a O. Trace and turn and it's finished. Wow. O. Which letter is this? O. Now shake it again. Shake this tray and use these two fingers of your right hand for this activity. Okay, ask your mama to help you. Now do it again. Wow, it's finished. I hope you like this activity. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to do more for us. Now start. Open the page with me. Which page we are going to do? We are going to do page number 11. Okay. And it is the page of letter K. Can you see the letter K? Yes. We have a tracing here. Come on, read the instructions with auntie first. First ask your mama to write the date and day. Okay. Do not spoil your book. Sit with your mama and do your work. Okay. Now read the instruction. Trace, write and color. First you have to trace it. Then you have to complete write it. And then you have to color the pictures. Starting with letter C. And the sound is K. Now read the pictures with me. Okay. Candle. K. Candle. K. Cage. K. Comb. K. Cucumber. K. Clown. Okay. Now how we are going to do it? Hold your pencil like this. Okay. Now trace it. Dot to dot. Dot to dot. Dot to dot. Dot to dot. Dot to dot like this. First complete the tracing. Then you have to do it by yourself. It's a self-writing page. Okay. Don't ask your mama to hold your hand. Okay. You can do it by yourself because you have done so many pages. Now start with auntie. How we are going to do it? Put your pencil on the starting dot and then we are going to turn. And stop. K. I'll do one for you. Okay. Now I'll put my pencil on the dot and I'll turn. K. Okay. Again. I'll show you one more. Put your pencil on the starting dot and turn. Stop. K. See, you have to complete your page with the help of your mummy. Okay. Do it for the full page. Okay. Complete the page. Color the pictures. And do it very nicely because auntie is going to check it. Okay. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.